search of healthy keto buttered chicken. So to save time, I processed the chicken and marinated in yogurt earlier. So here it is. It's simple. You can use either chicken breast or thigh, any boneless chicken will do, and add some Greek yogurt or just plain yogurt, a little bit of black pepper. If you have green chili and if you do like the flavor, you can add. I didn't add green chili this time in marination. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's very important for this. And salt to taste. And I added a little bit of cayenne pepper. So it was there for 30 minutes. Now just roast it in butter and olive oil. Onion, ginger, garlic. Just to save time, I blend it all together. Of course, if you have time, you can do it separately, but it's much easier this way. Difference will not be much. If you notice the spice, most of these will put when we saute this, except cinnamon and garam masala. So I separated it into 2 parts because the cinnamon and the garam masala will go in the last stage. Chicken stock, cream. We have crushed tomato paste you can use also, but this is probably the closest thing. Then blending around the tomato. Cilantro is ready to be chopped at the end, and lemon juice. I think that's all we got, so let's start. Okay, there goes olive oil and butter. Medium-high heat. We'll roast this chicken on each side about 3 minutes, and we'll take it out. So let's sit there on each side about 3 minutes. Okay, I set the heat to high. Turn this over in about 6 minutes now. And I'll just take it out from there. Okay, chicken's out. I'm roasting the paste that I blended in from onion, garlic and ginger. I'm just gonna roast it so it doesn't have a raw smell. Let me check. So about 5 minutes, I'm making sure all this raw smell is gone from garlic and onion. So now I'll put most of the spice. I divided it into 2 parts, except the cinnamon and the other garam masala that will go in the last minute. So let's roast these for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Later, the chicken raw going in, and add the crushed tomato. Start eating. Okay. About 2 minutes. I transfer the whole thing in the Dutch oven. Chickens are already in there, so just simmer it. Set the high heat and let's see. Just cover it and let it simmer for about 6 minutes, and then we'll just add the cream in. Lemon juice, and about 2 minutes later we'll throw throw in the cilantro, chopped cilantro, and that's it. Okay, 4 minutes later, looks like it's already ready, so I'll just pour in the cream. Depending on taste, I used slightly over a cup. Bring to boil, and then turn off the oven, put the lemon juice and cilantro, and that's it. Butter chicken. Enjoy.